Hello friends, welcome to the next tutorial of this module. Today, in this module, we will talk about how we can perform file inclusion vulnerability in our testing environment. So, first of all, let's change our security to low and open file inclusion. As you can see over here that there are three files, file 1, 2 and 3. If I click on file 1, a message appears like this, and as you can observe over here that it is a get based request and file1.php has been displayed over here. Now let's go back and click on file 2. So over here you can see file 1 has been changed to file 2. Similar is the case with file 3. Now let's click on file 1 and check for local file inclusion vulnerability. So now if I'll type // and hit enter, // will take us to the previous directory, and over here it is showing the path of the file. Over here right now I am at this place, so if I'll do // again and type php.ini, so it should provide me the details of this file in the DVWA folder. As you can see over here, we are able to read the file and the message has been displayed over here. Let's verify this file in our directory. Let's go to XAMPP DVWA. So we are in XAMPP htdocs DVWA, and over here is this file. Let's open this file. And over here you can see the messages, this file attempts to overwrite the original PHP file, and over here also we have the same message, this file attempts to overwrite the original PHP file. So we hereby confirm that we have successfully performed LFI vulnerability. Now let's check remote file inclusion. For that we need to inject a payload over here that will redirect us to some website link. Let's type bing.com. Et voila! As you can see over here, we have been redirected to bing.com, and this is our DVWA lab. Now let's change our security to medium and let's check the same. Now let's try injecting the last payload which we did in RFI, that was https:// Over here it is giving us an error, so we won't be able to execute this payload. Now let's check the view source so that we can understand what function has been used in the background which is blocking or sanitizing our payload. As you can see over here that they are using str_replace command, and what this function is doing, it is replacing the http:// and https:// and converting it into a blank space. We saw this similar case in XSS vulnerability. Now as it is written only HTTPS, now let's change PNS and make them capital like this and check if our command is running or not. And yes, we have been able to bypass medium level security as well. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this tutorial.